G'day. I feel like I might have shanked it this afternoon. The swell is absolutely sizzling. I don't know if you can see it. It's just breaking everywhere. A bit like the time I went out like this the other week and went out and I probably shouldn't have because the swell was just dangerous. So I'm just in close. Been close to the beach here. I'm gonna have a few drops. I've got a brand new reel here, new dye with Gem Black. I'm fishing it on this new endorphin rod. So I'm gonna have a few drops just to try it out, but I feel like I'm probably just gonna go in because this is just feeling nothing but dangerous out here today. Oh wow. There's good marks coming off the bottom straight away, or is that the rope off that cray pot? Oh, it's the rope off the cray pot. Okay. I'll wind this up. I'll fish out this side. I thought I was seeing good marks there, but it was just the rope from that cray pot just behind me here. I'm just going to have a few drops and just try this reel out. I'm not really expecting miracles in here, to be quite honest with you. All this ground gets pretty well hammered. But you just never know. Strange things can happen. Yeah, the swell is really huge. A bit like the last time I came out and I actually centered and went out behind the bank there when I really shouldn't have. Today's a very similar sort of day to that. I'm smart enough to stay inside today, but even inside's pretty swelly and gnarly. Where my second plan was to go, I'm not even going there. I'm just going to drop a few baits around and just see what happens. I'm just drifting. I'm not even anchoring up today. I'm just going to drift. So far, this reel feels really nice. Really like to lose some line off if that's possible. Oh, fish on. Oh, look at that. That's a good fish too. Oh, are you serious? Look where I am. Oh, that is in the rocks big time. Come out of there, please. Wow. So, first fish on the new reel. Loving it sick. Wow. To be quite honest, I really didn't think I had very much hope here today. I'd almost given up and I was about to just go in. I thought, oh, I'll just do a couple of drops on these little inshore bombies. Just have a look. Oh, it's a jewfish. Are you serious? Oh no. Are you serious? Wow. Come on, Mr. Dewey. Seriously, guys. Oh, that's the marina over there. Sometimes, honestly, just look at your sounder, believe what your sounder's telling you. Look at this bit of fluff. That's all I sounded over the top of a bit of fluff like that. And look what the results are, straight up. Healthy little jewfish. He's not little. He's a good sized jewie for inshore. You wouldn't be unhappy with that. You literally, you just couldn't be unhappy with that. Look at that, the little frothy ocky in his mouth. Unbelievable. I'm lost for words. I shouldn't be surprised because I do it often enough, but far out. I didn't think this was going to happen this close to the marina. Job done. Fishing done. That's it for me. Seriously, I was going to go in, like I pulled out of the marina and I was like, oh no, the swell's too big. It's not going to happen for me today. I can't go to anywhere I really wanted to go. It was just all too hard. I was like, oh, I really just can't be bothered either. So I'll just have a few drops just to see what this reel's like. Literally 500 meters from the marina. Kaboom, Mr. Jewfish. Job done. I met a couple of really cool dudes in the marina before too. Marcel, his name was, and his dad, and I think they might have been his brothers, all out on the boat. G'day to Marcel. He jumped on board, had a selfie with me. Always good to see people, and yeah. Wow. Lost for words. The shortest video ever. If you like my video, I'm only taking, that's all I want today. One fish is more than I need. I'm not going to fish anymore. What was that? Yeah, 2 drops, 1 bait, and bang, a Jewfish 500 meters from the marina. I don't know what else I can do. Yeah, shortest video ever. If you like my videos, stay tuned, and hopefully I'll be back onto them again next time. I'm pretty chuffed with that.